Good day. I'm here at one of our remodels, and it's our very first time that I've used this Flair vent system. Let's take a look. So this is a 4x10 example. The covers are just magnetic, so once you're done putting in the actual vent, you leave the cover off, paint, then put the cover back on. Magnetic covers, really nice. What this allows you to do is control the temperature of each and every room. Say it's really hot down here and you want to get it cool, you could shut off the entire upper level and then just run the rooms down here, or you could shut off a bunch of rooms you're not in and then just have the air come into the rooms that you need it in, like the living space. Say you're having guests over, it's really hot, you need it to cool off. So let's see some other things that this smart vent does. It's completely wireless. It integrates with Nest, Honeywell, Adobe, Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and more. So it comes, like I said, with the batteries and the mounting screws, and you can order up pretty much any size. So here is it installed. It has two options. One is if you were building a brand new house, you could run 24-volt wire to it, and then each unit would be wired. But it does have batteries that come with it. You pull that tab. The batteries last for years, many years before you have to replace it. Each unit can be operated via your smart app or phone. All these sizes we had, so that's a 12x12, that's a 6x10. Over here we've got a 4x10. So in this, there's one over here that is an awkward size, so that's a 12x8. So this is the only one where there'll need to be a little bit of drywall work installed, texture, and then the unit installed there. But all the other ones fit perfectly, and it's a great upgrade for a home, especially when you're doing a remodel. But I can imagine these would work really well in a brand new home as well. And if I did this in a brand new home, I'd definitely run the 24-volt wire. But the batteries, just as well, easy to replace. You can see where the battery goes, remove the magnetic vent cover, undo 2 screws, replace the battery, and probably about as often as you would replace a smoke alarm battery backup. So I definitely call this a great HVAC hack and something I would use in my own projects or my own home.